Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. By the end of this video, you will be a master of kanji characters without studying onyomi, kunyomi or the stroke order. So how did I remember kanji? Today, we are going to discuss the tips and tricks I use to remember kanji easily. I am facing JLPT N1 this July and wish me luck before we start today's discussion. You may send your blessings by clicking the subscribe button so both of us will be happy. Hi, 今日のビデオを始めましょう。What are the methods I use to study kanji? When I first started learning Japanese, the biggest problem I had was I like kanji, but I don't want to study each kanji character one after another. The onyomi, kunyomi, they were such a pain. I asked my teacher and I searched for a faster way to master kanji. So I ended up making a choice to not care about the traditional system, and well, I found a way out. Congratulations to you that you luckily found this video too. Faster means easier. So I started studying only vocabulary. Wait, let me explain first how I did it, step by step. First, I got the vocabulary list. Then I got a blank paper and wrote down the first 10 words with kanji pronunciation in both hiragana and English and the meaning. Focus on memorizing the kanji characters. Then I read them and wrote them again. But this time I wrote only the word and the meaning. Then I took another blank paper and wrote the English meanings of the 10 words. We are going to use this paper again, so keep it tidy and neat. Then in another paper, I started writing the words using kanji and then in hiragana. Then I checked them if they were correct. And yes, I got some of them wrong, but write them again and again until you get it right. Then take a break, go hang out with friends, eat something or anything, but at the end of the day, try to write them down again with only looking at the meaning. You might get some of them wrong again, but write them down again and again until you get them right. Try this method with each 10 words of the vocabulary list, and whenever you take new 10 words, don't forget to write the previous 10 words and revision them. In this way, we are studying both vocabulary and kanji, and I guarantee you that your results will be so shocking. Don't waste your time on onyomi, kunyomi or the stroke order, because no one in Japan will ever ask you about some onyomi, kunyomi, and you are never going to get a kanji character wrong without knowing the stroke order. Let's try this method on the first 5 words of the JLPT and 5 vocabulary list. The 5 words are au, aoi, akai, akarui, aki. First, write them down while trying to remember the kanji characters. Don't forget the hiragana and English pronunciation and the meaning. Write them down again, the word and the meaning. Now, write the English meanings in a new paper. Take another paper. Look at the paper we wrote meanings. Try to write the kanji word correctly. Check them if they are correct. Rewrite the ones you got incorrect. Well done! I wish you the best of luck in your upcoming exams, and you can join Kiko's Language School by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll never miss a lesson. And you can use the links in the description box below to watch my previous lessons. And don't forget to work hard, because no one is going to take you there, you have to do it. Yes, I have only 43 subscribers now when I'm editing this video, so help me get a lot please. Alright, see you in another lesson.